Hi, in this video I will show you 3 quick and easy ways to sign your contract online. So we have this document, we have previously worked on it, and I have 3 signatures to make here. I would go to Google, write PDFfiller. This is my favorite platform to sign contract online. I will select my contract. I already have the PDF version, this one. Okay, let's go to the signature section and let's go for 80, 75. Okay, then we have sign here. I will click on sign, add signature. This one I did it before, let's delete it. Delete, add signature, and here you will have a lot of methods actually, but I'm just gonna focus on 3. But we have you can draw your signature, you can upload signature, you can capture your signature, you can add it via QR, text, email, and a text. First thing is the easiest one is to type the signature. So here I'm just gonna write quick and easy, and you can change the style here. You can go for this, you see, we chose this, and then you can edit it. Opa. For the second method, I'll go again to sign, then add signature, and I will go for upload signature. So I already signed a paper, and I took a photo and sent it to my laptop via email, and here you see he changed it. I like this one. If you don't like it, you can clean it yourself. You can go here, start over, and clean manually, but in my case I like this, so I'm gonna go continue, and I will write here, opa, let's have it bigger. For the third method, I'm gonna go again to sign, add signature, and I'm gonna capture a signature. So here I have the signature that I already took a picture of it. I will just take a capture of it from my laptop camera. Here it's not good, so I'm gonna go start over and clean manually, continue, and I will change it. I'm gonna crop it a bit, so let's have it like that. It's better if you draw it with a thicker pencil, and let's have it like that. And okay, not bad. Okay, yeah, like this, it's good. Save and sign. I will add it here. Let's have it bigger. Voila, like that you learned how to sign your contract online. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel.